Good morning, hello, welcome. I'm so excited. We have not had enough sleep, but we are packed and we are just going to finish turning this room around for the Airbnb guests coming in, and then we go on our princess cruise across the Atlantic Ocean. Let's go. We are now on board the Sky Princess. What a morning. I am so delighted that you're joining me on this journey. Hello, I'm Rachel. My husband John is currently looking at the food cabinet. We have some live music being played and we are going to be having a 13-night stay in the Atlantic. We are in the atrium and it is beautiful. We're going to be stopping for the Azores, St. Martin. We're also going to Antigua. I think it's going to be a lot of fun. So I've just had one of the best salads I've ever had in my life, which is a bit of an overstatement, probably because of the surroundings and how much I was both hungry and am enjoying this whole thing right now. A beautiful tartlet, and you went for a variety of sandwiches, you being my lovely husband John. Yay! We now have the joys of these things, which I cannot pronounce, and we have some cheesecake. The afternoon is getting off to an insanely good start. We've made it up to deck 11 and we're in. Oh, it's so cute! Wow, it's big. Hey, this is huge. You go around here, and you get your own little bathroom. So tucked away. Right, okay, we need to do a full room tour here. Let's back it up. We have an inside cabin. I just feel like they're going to be really claustrophobic, and this is anything but. I don't know if it's the lighting, I don't know what it is, but you come in, right, let's start on this one. And we have a huge TV. We need to watch our muster safety drill, either on there or on our phones, and then go to our point after this. We've got anything that we want to order here on Princess Cruises. The room service is included, and plenty of things. We always have, I find, cruise hairdryers, an interesting phenomenon. Plenty of drawer space to go, and I believe a mini fridge. How are we looking? How much space is there in here? Ooh, loads of space. Over here, the joy of these beds, which would pull down to mean that you could properly fit 4. I'm trying to work out how comfortable that would be for a family, but like, if you're only in here for the evening sleeping, then probably fine. Plenty of drawer space. Love this little USB charger, and oh, it's just such a nice bed. It's huge. I don't know how big this is. I need to like lie on it to work out, because I'm 1.5 meters, which is a UK king, so whatever that translates in different cultures and countries. I feel like everyone's kind of invented their own size. Over this side, again, the lovely robes. They're so soft. They are so soft. You don't want to leave with these or you will be billed, but those are going to be lovely to enjoy while we're here. Plenty of hangers. Look at all of these. Look at that. And much space to put them. And here we got the safe. And again, a lot of storage space. I was not ready for this. Into the bathroom. Mind that step. I wish you could smell. It smells really good in here. Shampoo, conditioner and shower gel fixed the wall. I really like these ones because I feel like you're not gonna break it. All of this light being bounced around makes this feel a lot bigger than I feel like it is. And again, just having stuff like this, it's like wipe clean. I just feel like this is going to stay nice and not stressful for the time that we're here. Tissues bin, more tissues, all the towels. How are they? Oh, a good soft towel. Yay! I don't know how much water this is going to keep out. We'll have to see how that goes. Got a floor towel there as well. I am utterly chuffed to pieces. I'm so happy. Look, even here, the good old bathroom hooks, like not just one, but there's even one on the wall over here. Little things. This is a push together bed, so this could become separate. We are here to have a transatlantic voyage, of which I am unsure how my sea legs will cope. So we have quantities of sickness medication. We are deck 11 inside cabin, so hopefully being more in the middle of the ship we will be okay. We've made it all the way up to deck 19 and we found the mini golf, and I imagine it gets pretty breezy up here, but we would love to come back and play a game. John and I have had a good few goes at mini golf, a pretty decent sized court, and then there's a jogging track that goes the whole way round. I think it's like 3 times round. There's a mile. we shall see. We'll see if we actually end up running it. That's the real teller, isn't it? We found a laundromat, so there appears to be one on each floor, and there is a consignment of machines. And what I was appreciating, especially if John's shirt had not survived, is this station. Here we go, tokens. So I understand that you will take your tokens to here. I'm nervous because I don't want to actually do it, but I would use this and boop. That looks fairly comprehensive. Can you see that? Brilliant. And then it's just applied to your stateroom and pound. Nifty. Well, thanks for coming along as we worked out what we're going to do to wash some of our stuff.
It's a mini suite with accessible cabin only for those with wheelchair. And they have this.
Wow.
It can be 3 people also.
Yeah.
This one.
Yeah.
This is a mini suite.
We were just introduced to Maynard, our room steward, and he knew we were in because of our medallions. And this is a whole technological thing that they've built it from the ground up. And basically you can pay for stuff. We refer to it as booping for stuff. They know who you are, you can find people, etc. So he knew we were in. We're going to go get some dinner. I've changed into my newest piece from Vinted. We are doing the Dine My Way thing, so it isn't as formal as traditional cruise dining. We're going to dress up on other nights, but tonight we wanted to just go as we were. I mean, look at this hair, and we're just going as we are. Travel day. But I didn't want to make anyone else feel uncomfortable, as generally the clientele are older and therefore perhaps more traditional if I'm making judgments and sweeping statements. So I swapped out the hoodie. We're going to go get some dinner. It has done us a lovely turn down service, and we have this, which I am sure will be handy for beach days. We've had a lovely dinner. I was really feeling quite brave and just kind of pointed at something I didn't know what it was. Turned out to be various interesting kinds of fish. I would not put myself as a fishy fish person, but again, if you come somewhere where they really know how to cook something well and what flavours pair well, I'd never thought I was this kind of person, but it was lovely. We also went with a table with 2 other couples. Again, we are basically the youngest people on the ship at the moment that I found. We're fine with that. One couple have been around the world twice, and the other couple are Newfoundlanders, which blew my mind because we went to see Come From Away recently, and our dear housemate Sian absolutely loves it, and we were all very excited. We were listening to the music loads, and these are real people from Gander. So we've had lots of stories from them tonight, and yeah, it's just really beautiful to be in a different world from what we've been used to for so long, with COVID in particular, and just not hearing and meeting people who are different to you is just really refreshing. And we're off to the theatre now. Sing the words again with me, a strange duet. I have often walked down this street before. Silence, just pretend. Silence, just the end. Well, it's been a pleasure hosting this show. I'll see you back in here every night. One more time, give it up for the fantastic Westenders. See you later. It's only 9:30. I am shattered. We have just come back to our room and found that we have shore excursions, so some have been cancelled, some are full booked already, but we've managed to get ones we wanted, so we're really excited to do those. We also have a piece of paper. They are doing like a paperless general system, but the daily kind of digital, seeing everything is quite hard to read, so this is particularly good. Let me show you what is going on tomorrow, and then let me tell you about this evening. Oh my days. Okay, so tomorrow there is a lot of fitness stuff which I'm super interested in, but we're going to prioritise going to the Bible study. And then what have we got? There's plenty more happening on. Again, some of these seminars are definitely catering towards the older crowd that is on the cruise, but that's totally fine. We have got lots of books and audiobooks and podcasts and music and things to listen to. So I really want to do line dancing again. I feel that's classically seen as something that is maybe of the more mature person, but it's basically just Zumba with a different hat on, in my very unrefined opinion. Definitely not going to be doing any of the gambling, that's not my bag. Drag me away from the afternoon tea, drag me also away from the table tennis tournament, and there's also ballroom dancing, so I would love to put on a nice dress and go down to that. So yes, I am enthused for much of this. Here's like where things are and what times they're open until. Yeah, there's a lot of trivia, game shows, movies on Under the Stars. We had an amazing time at the show with the Westenders. Oh my goodness me, they were great. And particularly, you say two people are great and then it sounds like not saying good things about other people, but the two guys, the blend of their voices and the emotion and the poise and the beautiful lighting design and the really tight band, and one of the guys I'm sure swapped out 4 instruments at least. It was a really high-end show, and I consider myself to be in and out of the West End, and they really did perform. And it wasn't a full crowd, it was a small audience. Apparently there is just over 1,000 of us on a ship that takes 3,600, I think. So we small, but they absolutely gave it their all. I inherited all of their energy and it was amazing and wonderful, and we bumped into the cruise director on the way to more live music and just had an exuberant chat about things being on and this all happening again, and it was just very soul enriching. On to which we went to see some more live music for like more of a wind down, chill vibe. Also really glad that I purloined this handy bag, which I was planning to use for like beach stuff, to put a blanket scarf in, because I feel the aircon is just a little bit too much for me, so I've appreciated going around with a blanket to sit with in, for example, the theatre. We're going to attempt to keep winding down and not teeing myself up, and tuck in and be ready for another exciting day tomorrow. See ya!